Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a review. I'm so excited because I'm so late on ordering this product, but I was like, let me order this, let me do a review, because I know you guys are definitely about honest opinions. So I ordered the Plouise base finally. This is the most talked about base. I see all people on YouTube use it, everyone on Instagram, and that Mama Mitchell type of vibe is so in nowadays, like that blown out type of vibe like this. And I was like, I need to try that. And then I also purchased the Morphe 39S palette. So I was like, this is a look right here, girl. So we put this together and this is what we came up with. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep right, guys. So I already did my face makeup and my eyebrows just so we could really focus on the eyes today. So I'm using the beautiful 39S from Morphe. I'm obsessed with how this palette looks. I already played with some of the colors, that's why it's like dirty. But I have no idea what I'm doing today. I'm just kind of winging it. Okay, so I just recently purchased the Plouise base. This is the MUA base bundle. I got this because I do clients, so I want to use them on every single person. And girl, I'm so excited to try this. So I'm in shade number 2. It goes by 0, I believe. Let's see. Oh no, it's like 0.5. And then 1, 2, which I am. There's a 3, 4, and 5. So I love the diversity of this and I really can't wait to try it. So the way people say to use this is no type of like setting powder or anything. You just seriously need to put it on your eyelid. So the only thing I have on is my full foundation and of course concealer, but there's no eye primer on my eye. So I put a little on the back of my hand. This is probably a lot, to be honest, than what I actually need. Winston! So I'm going to take a flat, big shader brush like this, get a little on the back of my hands, and you can tell that this is thick. So I'm just going to be packing this on my eye. I don't know why I haven't ordered it sooner, but I know this is going to be like life-changing. Okay, so now that the base is on both eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and start with eyeshadow. So first thing I'm taking is a crown brush that looks like this. And the first color is, let's see, this one right here. And I'm really gonna pack my eyeshadow onto that brush. And I'm gonna be placing this right where the crease of my eye like folds. Alright, so this eye did start to crease a little, but that's okay. I'm really not going to be stressed about that. I'm just really focused on how this is going to turn out. It's going to be the color like diagonal to that, so this color right here. And I guess I'm going to take a Crown 511. So going in with this color. And we're gonna continue that with this shade. And I'm like poking this on to get the most pigment. It's a little, you have to add a little bit more, but that's okay. If you wiggle it a little, it definitely deposits more color. I'm going in with a very tapered blending brush. This is from Sigma. The number is gone. Can't even tell you. But it looks like this. And I'm going in with this hot pink color right here to diffuse some of the colors out here. And then we're going to blend this out as well. Okay, so now we're gonna diffuse it even more, and we're gonna go in with a fluffy brush like this. Morphe number's not on it. And we're gonna take this very light pink up here in the corner, and we're gonna place this going around that pink to just diffuse that. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the Plouise base again, and I'm gonna cut my crease. So I'm using a Bedelium's tool that looks like this, and I'm getting a little bit of product on my brush. And I'm gonna do a half cut crease. So let's start here. Okay, that's like so smooth. I'm living for that. Same thing. And then on a small wet shader brush, this is a Morphe flat shader brush like this. This is the first color I'm going to be using on my cut crease, right in the beginning of this crease. And I'm just packing this on with my small little shader brush. Color I'm going to be using is the one on top right here, this really beautiful dark, and so we're going to place that in the center of those two colors, and just remember to pack this on. Okay, that looks flawless. So now I want to keep adding more color and depth. So I'm taking a Bedelium's tool that looks like this. This is 783 and the hot pink color that we started with. And so I'm going to place that right over here. Kind of wiggle your brush back and forth just to really get that pigmentation. Then going in with the dark shade from the beginning. So now we're going to work on the bottom. So basically it's just the same thing as the top. Once the eyeshadow is complete, I'm going to be adding some liquid liner. I am going to do a wing for this look. I'm going to do kind of a heavy wing too, so I'm using the NYX liquid liner. Today for lashes, I got a lot of questions about this in my last video, but these are from AliExpress. They're so cheap, but they're amazing quality. Kind of like flare out too, which is super cute. So it's gonna give like that cat eye look, even though this is like a really rounded type of eye look. Alright you guys, so the eyes are done and slayed. I'm gonna do the rest of my face. We'll come back for the lip, and then I'll tell you guys how I really feel about the Plouise base. Okay, so now that my face has some dimension and I don't look flat, I'm going to show you what highlight I'm using today, guys. So using my Morphe 510, just getting this a little bit wet, and today I'm using MAC Show Glow. Love this highlight. It has like pink and gold reflexes in it. It's so beautiful. And then I don't know what lip I'm going to do. I think I want to do something very simple because the focus is more on my eyes, obviously. So, let's see. Maybe I'll use Pure Hollywood liquid lipstick from Anastasia. This is a really cute pink color. and then going over it with Fussy from Fenty, obviously, because I just want a soft liquid. Alright guys, so the look is finally done. I'm obsessed with how this come out. So if you really want to know my true opinion on this base, girl, I'm obsessed. How can we not be? Like, I don't understand how my eyeshadow has come out this fucking bomb before. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching, and thumbs up this video if you like reviews, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.